Now, our main focus point today is about a topic that I think too often people ignore, and that's maybe because of the implications of when this decision becomes necessary. But with that being said, let's talk about some estate planning tips for 2025. Now, as I mentioned, estate planning remains pretty widely neglected. 55% of Americans lack even the most basic of estate documents, and only 31% have a basic will, which is down from 46% just 4 years ago. And the reason why this is more urgent than, let's say, last year is because with the expiration of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act coming in 2026, really the end of this year, there is a potential, excuse my cat in the background, there is a potential that the lifetime gift limit, which was doubled in that bill, may expire as well. Now, every adult should have the will, financial power of attorney, and an advanced healthcare directive, also known as a living will. But again, most do not have those things. And the reason why you need them is because they ensure a distribution of your assets when you pass that is in line with your wants, with your desires. They also ensure that medical decisions will be handled properly while you are alive. Now, there's also something else that you may need that maybe wasn't as essential a decade ago, certainly wasn't as essential a decade ago, and that is a digital estate plan as well, with a digital executor who can manage your crypto accounts, who can manage your subscriptions, who can manage all of your digital lives with a place where they can seek your passwords that is safe and secure. And so one way we can prepare in terms of not just establishing these documents is to use, while you know what it is, that lifetime gift of up to $14 million in 2025 without incurring those federal taxes, a limit that again may fall as much as $7 million next year. And another reason why it is a good time to use those gifts is when there's higher market volatility, when asset prices go down, you can gift more assets at lower prices and use up less of that lifetime limit. Now, non-wealthy individuals may not need as robust estates and trusts, but they can still benefit pretty greatly from estate planning. It keeps your estate out of probate court. It stops states and courts from deciding how your estate will be allocated when you pass. Now, if you're interested and you don't really have complex needs, you can use free or low-cost online do-it-yourself tools to build that estate plan. But really, if you have a lot of complexity, you should be reaching out to financial advisors such as us, and we can help direct you towards our partnered estate planning tools or estate planning attorneys to help you out going forward. The number one risk, though, the number one risk by far, and it's evident for 45% of Americans who don't have any of these documents, is procrastination. It is the biggest risk you face because the last thing you want in a trying time for your family emotionally is to have to deal with an estate without a plan.